In the jungle, parrots love shiny pebbles. They use pebbles to buy yummy fruits and toys. There is a big building called Pebble Palace, where parrots keep their pebbles safe. But Pebble Palace is not always nice. They take some pebbles every time parrots buy something. Sending pebbles to friends far away takes a very long time. Sometimes the palace makes too many pebbles, and they become less special. Some parrots can't even go inside. Bad parrots make fake pebbles. And the palace closes when it gets dark. So smart parrots made something better. Golden seeds. Golden seeds are super cool. No one boss controls them. All the parrots share and watch over them together. Sending seeds is almost free. Seeds fly super fast to any parrot anywhere. Every parrot can use them. There are only a few seeds, so they stay special. No one can make fake seeds. And parrots can trade seeds day and night. Parrots need to remember who has which seeds, so they write everything on big coconuts called shells. Every parrot gets their own copy. Everyone can see. No hiding. Some helper parrots called shell carvers do a special job. They check if trades are real or fake. They write the good ones on shells. When a shell is full, carvers play a guessing game to lock it. Guess, guess, guess until someone wins. The winner gets free seeds. Yay! All parrots check and say yes, that's right. This keeps seeds safe, because everyone is watching. When a shell is done, every parrot gets a copy. Then they connect the new shell to the old ones. Each shell has a secret code, and the code of the shell before it. This makes a long chain of shells. The shell chain. If a bad parrot tries to change something, they have to redo everything. Way too hard. Who made golden seeds? Nobody knows for sure. It's a mystery. Someone used a funny name. Satoshi Nakamoto. Who is that? Many parrots want more seeds. They buy seeds hoping they become more valuable. But sometimes parrots get too excited and buy without thinking. This is called aping. Silly parrots. Seed prices go up and down a lot. Like a crazy roller coaster, whoosh. One day up, next day down. Some parrots hold their seeds tight and never sell. This is called HODLing. But seeds have some problems too. Some seeds are too many, so they lose value. Making seeds uses lots of machines that can hurt the jungle. Some sneaky parrots use seeds for bad things. Really bad parrots trick others. They say, buy this new seed, it's amazing. Parrots buy. Price goes up. Then bad parrots sell everything and run away. Other parrots lose their seeds. So sad. Also, thieves can steal seeds from sleeping parrots. And many parrots still like old pebbles better. New seeds pop up every day. Some are great, some are just jokes. Will seeds replace pebbles one day? Maybe yes. Maybe no. What do you think?